You assert that Mr. Tucker initiated a flirtatious relationship with you outside of your shared church community. You acknowledge that you are aware that Mr. Tucker was married, but you claim that he indicated that his marriage was effectively over and that he and his wife were attending church together strictly for appearances. Mr. Tucker, you categorically deny ever having a relationship with Ms. Peters. You describe her as having an unhealthy obsession with you, so much so that you and your wife felt compelled to leave the church you once attended with Ms. Tucker.
That is correct, Your Honor.
In order to avoid Ms. Peters.
Hey, once you see this DNA result, oh God, I hope your wife sees it.
That's why
anyway, may God forgive you because hey, you don't. This man, where you are going, eh? Oh God, I pray for you. Jesus died for this.
This season on Jacket Court.
Can I remind you that you are in a court of law? We can do whatever we want because I am the judge.
He completely ghosted me and just fall off the face of the earth.
Cannot get trapped when you walk into it yourself.
He was a dog then and he's a dog now. Backyard dog.
I never want to see you in this courtroom again. Choose your words carefully. You know I don't play like that.